Alright, so I've seen several videos on the internet, on YouTube, that where people were having leaks and water coming out from underneath the dishwasher, their Samsung dishwasher, and I have yet to find really a good response other than having the service warranty people come out and fix it and replace a bunch of parts. So I dug into mine a little bit to see if what might be causing the problem, and it seems like it's a pretty easy fix, and it has worked so far for about 2 months. So the water leak that I'm talking about is underneath the front. There's a little plastic area right there. And this little area underneath the front is for steam to escape out of the dishwasher. And what was happening was that right here, inside the lid, this little thing right here, there is actually a little rubber diaphragm that goes in and out that allows the hot steam to come out. Well, there was a bunch of gunk that was underneath here that was allowing the diaphragm to stay open and let water fly through it and go down the steam chute onto the floor. So I'm going to show you what it looks like underneath there. Open it up. So all you need to take this apart is just a standard screwdriver, like a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Take that off. You got one little screw. It's not captured, so make sure you hold on to it. And you pull off this little plate. See, I've already got some gunk starting to kind of build up in there. So we'll clean that off while we're in here. And then you have this little piece of plastic here that actually rotates this little top off. To get this piece of white right here off, we're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. And to do this, remember also the orientation of the little fins, the gills right here, where they're sloped up towards where we're at. So make sure that it goes back in the same direction. You'll also notice right here, this little piece right here should face that. So you take your needle nose pliers, expand them a little bit, go in between and rotate very gently. And then out it comes. So set that over there. So right here was where our problem was, is this presses down. As you can see, there's actually some gunk right there that's starting to build up. So I'll clean that while I'm in here. But it was pushing open just a little bit to allow that water to come down through that drain. So what I've done, what I do is I just take a damp paper towel, rub it around in there, get it all clean. Perfect. And then I'll go rinse this off, and then we'll reassemble it back together. Alright, so the little top lid has been cleaned just with a little bit of soap from the dish soap. Scrub it off, it's good to go. So go ahead and reassemble. Remember, this goes in and rotates back. There we go. Alright, so we're going to put the lid back on the top, like so. You can see where the screw goes in. And we'll go ahead and tighten it all back down. Remember, make sure that your screw is nice and even when it goes in there, that you're not going to strip anything out or deform it. So that's it. So you may take another cycle or two of using this to notice that it's good and cleaned out and it's not leaking, because there may be some residual water built up in that little path coming down. I noticed that the first time I washed after this was done, that steam kind of pushed a little bit more water out. But after the second one, we were good to go. So good luck. Hopefully this will fix your leaking out of the front, out of that little steam pipe. And if so, like my video, comment if you have any other questions. Thanks a lot.